Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing really great. Today we have come up with another amazing strategy which is known as Jilo Zindagi. Now before starting with the video, we have come up with two free live trading sessions where you can learn and earn simultaneously. You will be learning that how we do the trading and how we make profits, and you can take those trades by yourself so that you can earn money as well. To be eligible for those free live trading sessions, you just have to follow some very simple steps. Those all steps are given into the description. Just follow those steps and DM us into the Instagram, and we will be choosing 50 people which will get a chance to be a part of those free live trading sessions. And now let's talk about our strategy. This strategy is a Nifty only strategy. You can apply it to the Nifty and you can get easy 30 points wherever the trade gets executed. Let's start with our strategy. For this strategy to work, we'll be checking Nifty spot price at 9:25 a.m. We won't be looking at its previous close, we won't be looking at its open or low or high or any kind of charts. We will just check its spot price. Now based on that spot price, we will add two strike prices to our watch list. Now what those strike prices would be? Let's say our Nifty spot price is 11,515. Then round it to the nearest multiple of 50, which in this case would be 11,500, and then add nearest in the money PE and in the money CE, which in this case would be 11,450 CE and 11,550 PE. Remember, we will be only adding in the money and not out of the money. Now as we have added these two to our watch lists, we will check its open, high and low for both 11,450 CE and 11,550 PE. Let's say below are the levels for both the strike prices. For 11,450 CE, open is 110, low is 95 and high is 125. For 11,550 PE, open is 100, low is 90, high is 120. Out of both the strike prices, let's say 11,450 CE broke its 925 high, which was 125 earlier, and creates a new high of 135. So 11,450 CE has created a new high, and now we'll keep our eye on 11,450 CE. As soon as 11,450 CE sustains above its new high, that is 135, for at least 15 minutes, we'll enter the trade. Remember, it should not come below 135 even for once. And this trade can be executed anytime in between 9:25 a.m. and 2:50 p.m. The stop loss and target would be same. Stop loss is also 40 points and target is also 40 points, but after first target achieved, we will be trailing our stop loss. Now let's talk about some of the facts of this strategy. The accuracy of this strategy is almost 80% plus. In the last 2 years, in around 350 sessions, trade has been executed in around 280 sessions, and the maximum intraday profit given is 180 points, and our SL is fixed, that is 40 points. Simple enough. I'll summarize it again. Check Nifty spot price at 9:25 a.m. Round it to nearest multiple of 50 and figure out nearest in the money PE and in the money CE, and add those two to your watch list. Now check their open, high and low. As soon as any one of those strike prices creates a new high and then sustains above that new high for 15 minutes, we will enter the trade. Our stop loss and our target would be 40 points, and will trail our stop loss. Now let's look at some of the examples. I won't be able to show you much of the examples based on this strategy because options has a weekly expiry and the charts for previously expired options are not available. So I'll just show you the most recent example where this strategy worked, where we got a trade based on this strategy. We got a trade on 21st of September, and let's check the 925 spot price. It is around 11,525. Now based on this, either we can come to 11,500 the nearest multiple or 11,550 the nearest multiple. uh, we can consider both. If we are considering 11500, then we will add 11450 CE and 11550 PE to our watch list, or if we are considering 11550, then we will add 11500 CE and 11600 PE to our watch list. Let's say we added 11450 CE and 11550 PE to our watch list. Now we got a trade on PE side, so I'll just straight away get to 11550 PE. Let's check its open. Its open is 113.70. Its high is on this candle only, which is 121.35, and its low is on 925 candle, which is 102. Now we'll first break. Now we'll first wait to break its high, that is 121.35. It got broken somewhere around here and it created a new high of 125.30. Now we'll again wait. We'll wait till this 125.30 high is broken. This high is broken somewhere around this candle, which is 1238, and then it straight away sustained for 15 minutes above this, and so it was broken on 1238, and will wait again for 15 minutes, and that is 1253. So we will take entry on this candle because it has broken its previous high and it has sustained 15 minutes above it. So let's say we got an entry somewhere in the middle of this candle, which would be 137, and our stop loss would be 97, and our first target would be 177. So it straight away went to 177 on this candle, that is 140, and it didn't even come close to our stop loss. So, and now we don't exit the trade, we'll just trail our stop loss. So we will be exiting somewhere around this or this candle, because we are trailing our stop loss, and it made an high of 315. So uh, if we are trailing our stop loss, we will be exiting at 275. So let's say 275, we are exiting at 275. We got an entry at 137. We got 138 points, so we have more than doubled our money in just one day based on this strategy. Now I'm not saying we will be doubling our money every single day, but we can get easy 40 points out of this strategy if we work continuously on this one. And if we hadn't exited it, we got the highest of 339. That's an amazing profit. Now we will follow the rules and we'll exit on this or this candle. Now I really hope that you have understood this strategy. We don't need to open the charts in the real time. I just open this chart to show you how this actually works. If you still have any kind of doubts or you have any kind of questions, put down a comment for us and we'll answer it to you. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, and do let us know in the comment section what you think about this strategy. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get constantly updates about our new strategies, how we are working, how we are making profits. And goodbye, take care, and love you all.